you so much. Wow, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I got enough for breakfast. She was like, "You really sure you're not gonna do a mukbang?" No, I'm not. Okay. I'm so sorry. You're so disappointed. All right. Hey, lovelies, it's your girl Nikki with Nicky Savory Vegan Eats. Okay, so I am at the September vegan food here in Wellington, New Zealand. I know y'all can see a little of my eyes, but I felt like this was a good spot to be able to show all my food, to display it, you guys. So this is what I'm doing here. Okay, so try not to laugh because I got some little neighbors next to me, little neighbors wanting to know if I'm going to do a mukbang. And I'm like, I'm not doing a mukbang. I am not eating all this food in one setting, you guys. So I got like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, okay, so this is like vegan food, 100%. And right here, you can see that this is what they call KFC style drumsticks. KFC style drumsticks. I'm going to try that. And then I like anything crunchy, you know? So anything crunchy. Got here, got the salt and pepper crunchy chicken. Look at that, you guys. Look good, right? Ooh, yeah. And then over here, we have some Singaporean noodles right here. Yum, yum, yum. I swear I'm not eating all this in one setting. It's like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then last but not least, I kind of got talked into trying some vegan duck bao buns. Look at this. Looks absolutely amazing. Delicious, does it not? Oh my gosh. All right. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get it in. Okay. I'm going to try first this KFC vegan drumstick. I was really curious about this. And as a matter of fact, when I was researching this place, too, for drinks, they have all different types of colorful drinks. But this Bundaberg guava drink right here, you guys. Yum, yum, yum. Bundaberg is known in Australia. They have like a good ginger beer, but this is the guava. So I actually took one of these to go as well. So let's get it in. Oh, it's so crispy too. I'm gonna do it without the sauce. Put my little faux locks behind me. And that's good. It's good. Wow. This is so good. This is what the inside look like. I'm not sure if this is I wouldn't say it's jackfruit, but this is really good. And then it has like a little sauce right here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip this in the sauce. And try it. That's really good. It's like sweet and sour sauce. So, yum. Okay. All right, pretty impressed with that. I'm gonna finish that out. Up next, we have the crunchy salt and pepper chicken. I'm gonna try this next. So they have it already, like the seasoning's right here. And I'm gonna just take a little. I like the fact that you get to control how much salt and pepper you want to put on there. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that on there and just try one. And that's good. That's great. Oh my gosh. What am I eating? I'm eating something vegan. I can't tell if this is mushrooms or what it is, but it's delicious. And it's just crunchy. So if you like crunchy stuff, this is the place to be. September Vegan House. Okay, up next, I'm going to go ahead and try these Singaporean noodles. I am in my happy place in Wellington. I'm going to have to come back here just to come to this place. This is the bomb. All right, so we have the Singaporean noodles. I'll go ahead and use those chopsticks. And I've been to Singapore where they had some really good noodles. This is vermicelli with green scallions, carrots. Here we go. This is delicious. It has like a light spiciness to it. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Now you could eat this with seasoning, like a sauce, like a chili sauce, but I don't feel like I need it. Hands down, this is it. This is so good. Oh my gosh. All right, lovelies, one more dish. This is the fried duck bao buns. It's like that savoriness that you want when you just want something that's fulfilling, like comfort food. So I'm gonna go ahead and go all in. All right. This has cucumbers, alfalfa sprouts, has like a little sauce on the side, and it's crispy. Let's see that. Ooh, here we go. Whoops. It's okay. Mm. This is definitely savory. It has a nice sauce to it. Well seasoned. September, vegan food. They have outdone themselves. This is absolutely delicious, you guys. I'm gonna wash it down with a little bit of guava. All right, so my review is in. I would give this place a 12 out of 10. Seriously. If you find yourself in Wellington, come down to the September vegan food. You will not regret it. Until then, I'll talk to you other people later. Bye.